looking for the ultimate family vacation in Turkey? Let me take you through everything you need to know about Delphin Deluxe Resort, a 5-star all-inclusive paradise nestled on the stunning Mediterranean coast in Belek, Antalya. This resort has been making waves in the travel community, and after diving deep into what it offers, I can see why families keep coming back year after year. Let's talk about where you'll be resting your head after long days of fun in the sun. Delphin Deluxe Resort offers an impressive 26 different room categories spread across 1,126 rooms, which means there's truly something for every type of traveler and budget. The standard room serves as your entry point into this Mediterranean paradise, offering 40 square meters of comfortable space with either a king or twin beds. These rooms come equipped with air conditioning, satellite television, a minibar that gets restocked daily, tea and coffee making facilities, a safe for your valuables, complimentary Wi-Fi, and your own private balcony or terrace overlooking either the garden or pool areas. What I really appreciate is that even the most basic room doesn't skimp on essentials like hairdryers and proper bathroom facilities with showers. If you're looking to upgrade your experience without breaking the bank, the deluxe room adds an extra 5 square meters and throws in some luxury touches like bathrobes and slippers, plus you get better views of either the pool or sea. The real game changer for families is the family room, which spans 50 square meters and features 2 bedrooms with a connecting door. The kids absolutely love the bunk bed setup, and parents appreciate having that extra minibar and the play area vibe that makes children feel like they have their own special space. For larger families or groups traveling together, the family connecting room essentially gives you 80 square meters by linking 2 standard rooms with an internal door, providing privacy when you need it and togetherness when you want it. Now, if you're ready to really treat yourself, the swim-up suite is where vacation dreams come true. Imagine stepping off your private terrace directly into the pool, with 60 square meters of space featuring luxury linens and even an espresso machine for those who can't function without their morning coffee. But the absolute crown jewel of accommodations here is the Delphin Deluxe Villa, a massive 200 square meter sanctuary with 3 bedrooms, a full living room, and your own private pool. These villas were renovated in 2024 and come with a jacuzzi, barbecue area, and even butler service to make you feel like absolute royalty. The Aquapark Villa offers a unique twist with its 150 square meters, 2 bedrooms, and direct views of the water park, complete with a private jacuzzi and kids' toys that make it perfect for families who want to be close to all the action. Every single room includes modern amenities, and the resort has clearly thought about what guests actually need rather than just checking boxes on a features list. When it comes to keeping your stomach happy, Delphin Deluxe Resort absolutely knocks it out of the park with 14 different dining venues, all included in your all-inclusive package. The crown jewel of the dining experience is Olympos Main Restaurant, and when I say this place is massive, I mean it can accommodate over 1,000 guests at once. Operating for breakfast from 7 until noon, lunch from noon to 2 in the afternoon, and dinner from 7 until 9 in the evening, this international buffet serves up more than 500 different dishes every single night. We're talking about fresh meats, seafood, and an array of options that would take you weeks to try everything. They even do themed nights like Mexican Tuesday, which adds some fun variety to your week. The live cooking stations mean you can watch your food being prepared right in front of you, and the colorful presentation makes even picking your meal an experience. For those craving authentic Italian cuisine, La Gondola delivers with its wood-fired oven pizzas, fresh pasta, and absolutely divine tiramisu. Open for both lunch and dinner, this 150-seat restaurant requires reservations, so make sure you book ahead because it's incredibly popular. If you want an even more refined Italian experience, Fellini offers an upscale a la carte menu featuring risotto and veal in a romantic candlelit setting that's perfect for couples looking for a special night out. The Teppanyaki restaurant brings Asian fusion to the table with an incredible show as chefs perform flame displays right at your table while preparing fresh sushi and wok dishes. With only 50 seats available and dinner service from 7:30 to 9:30, this is definitely one you'll want to reserve early in your stay. During the day, the beach bar and restaurant becomes your go-to spot from noon until 5 in the afternoon, serving up freshly grilled fish, crisp salads, and that unbeatable sunset barbecue experience where you can literally dine with sand between your toes. For health-conscious guests or anyone looking for a refreshing break, the Vitamin Bar operates from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, specializing in smoothies, fresh salads, and a special detox menu that'll make you feel virtuous even while on vacation. The lobby bar deserves special mention because it operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, serving cocktails, mocktails, tapas, and snacks whenever hunger strikes. Plus, they feature live music that creates a wonderful atmosphere in the elegant lounge setting. What really impressed me about the dining situation here is that the resort offers unlimited access to a la carte restaurants with 1 to 3 reservations per week depending on your package, which is incredibly generous compared to many all-inclusive resorts that nickel and dime you for premium dining. The variety means you could stay for 2 weeks and never eat at the same place twice, and reviews consistently praise the food quality and variety as being among the best in the all-inclusive category. Vegetarians, vegans, and guests with gluten sensitivities will find abundant options throughout all venues, though it's worth noting that there isn't specific separation of pork and beef mentioned in reviews, so those with strict dietary requirements should check with staff. The pool and beach facilities at Delphin Deluxe Resort are nothing short of spectacular, offering 7 different pools spread across the property to ensure you always find your perfect spot. The 2 main outdoor pools together span 1,500 square meters and maintain a comfortable depth of 1.4 meters, making them suitable for both confident swimmers and those who prefer to keep their feet closer to the bottom. During the winter months, the indoor heated pool becomes a sanctuary where you can swim comfortably regardless of the weather outside, and it operates 24 hours during the colder season. For adults seeking peace and quiet away from splashing children, the adults-only relax pool provides a serene escape where you can float in tranquility with a cocktail from one of the 2 swim-up bars. Speaking of kids, they have their own dedicated pools designed with their safety and enjoyment in mind, featuring shallower depths and playful designs. The true star of the aquatic show is the massive aquapark spanning 2,000 square meters and featuring 9 different slides that range from gentle family-friendly options to adrenaline-pumping drops that'll have teenagers screaming with delight. The lazy river offers a relaxing contrast where you can float along without a care in the world, while the wave pool creates that ocean experience without the salt water. All pools operate from 8 in the morning until 8 at night, with the indoor pool maintaining extended hours, and the best part is that towels and pool services are completely free with no deposit required. The beach access is equally impressive, with 200 meters of private sandy shoreline that does have some fine pebbles in certain areas but remains comfortable for walking and lounging. The resort provides complimentary kayaks for guests who want to explore the coastline, and banana boat rides are available for a small fee, while more adventurous souls can pay extra for jet skiing or parasailing that'll give you breathtaking aerial views of the coast. Beach waiters ensure you never have to leave your lounger for refreshments, and the beach bar operates from 9 in the morning until sunset, creating the perfect environment for a full day of seaside relaxation. What sets this beach apart from many others in the area is the attentive service and the fact that finding a lounger is rarely an issue outside of absolute peak season, though some reviews do mention that during July and August, the pools can feel crowded as the resort reaches full capacity. Beyond swimming and sunbathing, Delphin Deluxe Resort offers an incredible array of activities that ensure you'll never hear the words "I'm bored" during your stay. The fitness center spans 500 square meters and features top-of-the-line Technogym equipment including treadmills, weight machines, and stationary bikes that rival what you'd find at premium gyms back home. Operating from 7 in the morning until 9 at night, the fitness center also hosts daily classes including yoga, Zumba, and Pilates that are all included in your package, though personal training sessions are available for an additional fee if you want more individualized attention. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty to keep them busy with the free kayaks available at the beach, while those seeking more thrills can pay for jet skiing, parasailing, or even diving excursions that explore the beautiful Mediterranean underwater world. The resort organizes various sports activities throughout the day, from beach volleyball tournaments to water polo games in the pools, and there's always something happening to get your blood pumping. For those who prefer more relaxed pursuits, the resort offers cultural activities and educational programs that help you connect with Turkish culture, including cooking demonstrations where you can learn to make traditional dishes and craft sessions that teach local artistic techniques. Evening entertainment is a major highlight, with nightly shows in the amphitheater starting at 9:30 and running until 11, featuring everything from acrobatic performances to magic shows that leave audiences amazed. The disco keeps the party going late into the night for those who still have energy after a full day of activities, while families often gather for the shows that are designed to appeal to all ages. Seasonal events add extra excitement throughout the year, with Halloween celebrations and a spectacular New Year's Eve gala featuring fireworks that light up the Mediterranean sky. The Delphin Spa is a 4,000 square meter wellness sanctuary that offers everything you need to completely unwind and rejuvenate during your vacation. The treatment menu is extensive, featuring traditional Turkish bath experiences, aromatherapy massages, facials, and various peels that leave your skin glowing. The signature Delphin ritual combines a traditional hammam experience with a foam massage for €100, and guests consistently rate it as worth every penny for the complete relaxation it provides. The spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, and even a snow room that provides an invigorating contrast to the heat, plus 20 separate treatment rooms ensure you can usually get an appointment without too much advance booking required. The beauty salon offers hair services, manicures, pedicures, and various other treatments if you want to look your absolute best for those vacation photos. Operating from 9 in the morning until 8 at night, the spa can be booked through the resort's mobile app or directly at reception, and staff members are knowledgeable about which treatments would work best for your specific needs. The gym within the spa complex features modern equipment and offers a quieter, more focused environment compared to the main fitness center, perfect for serious athletes who want to maintain their training regimen even while on vacation. Wellness programs include guided meditation sessions, yoga classes that take advantage of the beautiful outdoor spaces, and detox programs that combine treatments with specialized nutrition plans from the vitamin bar. What I particularly appreciate about the spa here is that it doesn't feel like they're constantly trying to upsell you on expensive treatments, and the base package includes enough complimentary options that you can enjoy spa experiences without blowing your budget. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.